What's up guys, and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to log in on Udemy account with your email and password. So friends, go to Udemy and then go to sign in. From the sign in section, you will see this email. Click continue with this email, and I have this just my email here. If you want to write your another email, just click this option, sign with another email. Write your email, guys. This is my email, and click continue, and then go to your email. After that, guys, when you log in your email, write your 6-digit codes, for example this one, and after that click sign in, and then you will see your email account was logged in successfully with your email. I hope that guys this video helpful for you guys. Any question down below in the comment, and I will answer your question as soon as possible. Keep watching.